Question 1. The male reproductive system structure that stores sperm temporarily and transport them to the urethra is. Right answer is option C. Epididymis. Question 2. The seminiferous tubules of the testis are lined by. Right answer is option C. Germ cells and Sertoli cells. Question 3. Leydig cell in the testis secrete. Right answer is option C. Testosterone. Question 4. The female reproductive structure that receives penis during copulation is. Right answer is option B. Vagina. Question 5. The inner glandular layer of the uterus is called. Right answer is option C. Endometrium. Question 6. The ovarian follicle that ruptures during ovulation is. Right answer is option C. Graafian follicle. Question 7. The microscopic structure of ovary shows the outermost layer called. Right answer is option B. Germinal epithelium. Question 8. The process of formation of spermatozoa from spermatogonia is called. Right answer is option C. Spermatogenesis. Question 9. The primary spermatocyte undergoes which type of division? Right answer is option B. Meiosis 1. Question 10. The haploid cell produced after meiosis 2 in spermatogenesis are called. Right answer is option D. Spermatids. Question 11. The process by which spermatids transform into mature spermatozoa is called. Right answer is option B. Spermiogenesis. Question 12. The acrosome of sperm is derived from. Right answer is option C. Golgi apparatus. Question 13. In oogenesis, the primary oocyte is arrested at which stage of meiosis until puberty? Right answer is option C. Diploid. Question 14. Secondary oocyte complete meiosis 2 only when? Right answer is option B. Fertilization occurs. Question 15. The polar bodies formed during oogenesis are. Right answer is option A. Haploid and non-functional. Question 16. The menstrual cycle in humans is typically of how many days? Right answer is option C. 28 days. Question 17. The luteal phase of the menstrual cycle is characterized by. Right answer is option B. Secretory changes in endometrium. Question 18. The surge of which hormone causes ovulation? Right answer is option B. LH. Question 19. The corpus luteum secrete. Right answer is option C. Both estrogen as well as progesterone. Question 20. If fertilization does not occur, the corpus luteum degenerates into. Right answer is option B. Corpus albicans. Question 21. Fertilization of the ovum normally occurs in. Right answer is option C. ampullae of the fallopian tube. Question 22. The fusion of male and female pronuclei during fertilization produces. Right answer is option C, zygote. Question 23. The first cleavage division of the zygote occurs approximately. Right answer is option B, 24 hours after fertilization. Question 24. The solid wall of cells formed after several cleavage division is called. Right answer is option B, morula. Question 25. The blastocyst consists of an inner cell mass and outer layer called. Right answer is option A, trophoblast. Question 26. Implantation of the blastocyst occurs in. Right answer is option C, endometrium of the uterus. Question 27. The finger-like projections of the trophoblast that forms the fetal part of placenta are called. Right answer is option B, chorionic villi. Question 28. The hormone secreted by the placenta that maintains pregnancy is. Right answer is option D, all of these. Question 29. Human chorionic gonadotropin is produced by. Right answer is option C, trophoblast cells of placenta. Question 30. The gestational period in humans is approximately. Right answer is option C, 40 weeks. Question 31. Parturition is triggered by the release of which hormone from the posterior pituitary? Right answer is option B, oxytocin. Question 32. The positive feedback mechanism during parturition involve. Right answer is option B, oxytocin stimulating uterine contraction which stimulate more oxytocin. Question 33. Lactation is initiated by which hormone? Right answer is option C, prolactin. Question 34. Milk ejection reflex, let down reflex is mediated by. Right answer is option B, oxytocin. Question 35. The first milk secreted after parturition rich in antibodies is called. Right answer is option A, colostrum. Question 36. The structure that connects the fetus to the placenta is called. Right answer is option B, umbilical cord. Question 37. Which cell in the testis produced hormone inhibin? Right answer is option B, Sertoli cells. Question 38. The region of the ovum that releases the cortical granules to prevent polyspermy is. Right answer is option C, vitelline membrane. Question 39. The hormone that stimulates spermatogenesis by acting on the Sertoli cells. Right answer is option C, FSH. Question 40. During the proliferative phase of the menstrual cycle, the endometrium is thickened under the influence of. Right answer is option B, estrogen. Question 41. The narrow opening of the uterus into the vagina is called. Right answer is option C, external os. Question 42. The layer of the uterus that undergoes the cyclic changes during menstruation is. Right answer is option D, stratum functionalis of endometrium. Question 43. The release of the ovum from the ovary is called. Right answer is option B, ovulation. Question 44. The haploid number of chromosomes in human sperm and ovum is. Right answer is option A, 23. Question 45. The acrosome of the sperm contain enzyme that help in. Right answer is option A, penetration of the ovum's corona radiata and zona pellucida. Question 46. The hormone that triggers the release of FSH and LH from the anterior pituitary. Right answer is option C, GnRH. Question 47. The embryonic stage that implants into the endometrium is called. Right answer is option B, blastocyst. Question 48. The placenta is derived from. Right answer is option C, both fetal chorionic villi and maternal decidua basalis. Question 49. Which of the following is a function of the placenta? Right answer is option D, all of the above. Question 50. The lactation is suppressed during pregnancy due to the high levels of. Right answer is option B, estrogen and progesterone.